To provide electricity to 6 million customers across 65,000 square miles, FirstEnergy operates a vast infrastructure of distribution and transmission lines stretching from the Ohio-Indiana border to the New Jersey shore. Few things threaten our ability to provide reliable service more than the weather. That's why we rely on the forecasting abilities of FirstEnergy's in-house meteorologists to help us assess the potential impact on our electric system and service area.
As a meteorologist that works for FirstEnergy, we study weather patterns. Specifically, we're looking at weather patterns that are going to cause outages across our service area. And the types of patterns that we're looking for are strong wind events, ice events, heavy wet snow, and severe thunderstorms.
Well, it helps the company by providing them well ahead of an event, details of where the event will occur and the magnitude of the impacts an adverse weather system will bring to FirstEnergy. This information then is used as a planning tool to help pre-stage crews, move crews perhaps from an area of the company that isn't going to be impacted to where we're expecting the worst conditions to occur, and thereby helping to decrease the amount of time a customer will be without power due to weather conditions that causes damage to our structures.
We study the meteorological patterns or the weather patterns in the Meteorological Operations Center in the general office in Akron, Ohio. And we're using extremely powerful computers to pull in weather data from all around the world. And as well, we also run weather models on our computers.
What's unique about weather in FirstEnergy's service area is that it contains a microcosm of what you get over weather conditions over the whole country. For example, part of our area is along the Atlantic coast, so we have to look out for nor'easters, even hurricanes. A good part of our area is in the Midwest and also has the Great Lakes, weather impacted by the Great Lakes. So you have to follow lake effect weather patterns and the phenomenon that goes along with the lakes, and also the severe storms that are associated with the plains, the tornadoes, the large thunderstorms. Those impact our area as well. And in between those two areas, the plains and the coast, you have the mountains. Granted, they're not the Rocky Mountains, but you still have to study mountain meteorology and track all the nuances that come with predicting weather in mountainous territory.
I'd say the most common weather phenomenon that we track that causes outages for FirstEnergy would be wind. In the wintertime, there are dynamic low-pressure systems that will bring prolonged periods of strong winds. But in the summertime and in the spring, we're looking at severe weather, severe thunderstorms, which can easily pack winds over 50 miles an hour, which is a strong impact on our system. We collaborate with the various national weather centers in order to help them develop the models, help them improve the models that they're producing, but also to make sure that we are learning all of the new stuff that they're generating so that we can apply that to our forecasting techniques so that we can stay ahead and on top of the science and bring that advantage to FirstEnergy.